What if I told you the sun, as huge as it is actually tiny compared to some of the stars out there? That's right, there are stars so massive, they make the sun look like a grain of sand. Curious? Let's dive into the world of the largest stars in the universe and see just how small we really are. When we think of the sun, we imagine something impossibly big. After all, it's big enough to fit over 1.3 million Earths inside it. But here's the shocker, our sun isn't even close to being one of the largest stars in the universe. In fact, on a cosmic scale, it's just average. Today, we'll meet some true giants, stars so massive, they defy imagination. By the end of this video, you'll have a whole new perspective on the universe. First, let's talk about red supergiants, stars that are nearing the end of their lives and have expanded to staggering sizes. Located in the constellation Orion, Betelgeuse is one of the brightest stars in the night sky. It's 700 times larger than the Sun. Let that sink in. If Betelgeuse replaced the Sun, its edges would reach beyond Jupiter's orbit. To put it in perspective, if the Sun were the size of a basketball, Betelgeuse would be the size of a stadium dome. Found in the constellation Scorpius, Antares is another red supergiant that's even bigger than Betelgeuse. It's about 800 times the size of the Sun and 10,000 times brighter. If Antares were in our solar system, it would engulf Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These stars are massive, no doubt. But they're not the largest. That honor belongs to a star so big, it's hard to even comprehend. Let me introduce you to UY Scuti, the largest star we've ever discovered. Here's why it's mind-blowing. UY Scuti is 1,700 times larger than the Sun. If it were placed at the center of our solar system, its surface would stretch beyond Saturn's orbit. To visualize this, imagine the Sun as a basketball. UY Scuti. It'd be as tall as a 50-story skyscraper. And yet, despite its size, UY Scuti isn't the heaviest star. These massive stars are made mostly of light gases, which makes them enormous but not very dense. Stars like Betelgeuse, Antares, and UY Scuti don't live long. Unlike our Sun, which has a lifespan of billions of years, these giants burn through their fuel quickly and die after just a few million years. When they run out of fuel, they explode in a supernova. These explosions are some of the most powerful events in the universe, releasing enough energy to outshine an entire galaxy for a short time. And here's the fascinating part, those explosions create elements like calcium in our bones, iron in our blood, gold and platinum in jewelry. In a way, we're all made of stardust, pieces of stars that exploded billions of years ago. Here's something to think about. The universe is vast. We've only just scratched the surface of what's out there. UY Scuti might be the largest star we know of, but scientists believe there could be even bigger stars hiding in the depths of space. Imagine discovering a star so massive, it makes UY Scuti look small. The possibilities are endless. So, what did you think of these cosmic giants? Mind-blowing, right? They remind us just how tiny we are in this vast universe. If you enjoyed this journey through the stars, head to the description below. I've shared links to more incredible videos and some amazing channels that dive deeper into space mysteries. While you're there, don't forget to subscribe to those channels. It's a small action that helps creators like us keep bringing you fascinating content. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.